What's going on, everybody? HondaPro Jason here. Wanted to give you an update on my road to SEMA. So I'm in Republic, Missouri with the Civic Type R. I just had some touch-ups done at Kirks Collision Center. We touched up the hood because there were a couple of little chips, and we buttoned up a couple of areas that showed some wear from the road. That's going to happen. And now I am at Status Auto Detail, and Status is going to clean her up, get her all ready. So I'm going to be leaving Status here later today on my way out to visit my friends in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I'm going to go to Humble Performance and go see Alex and the guys. After that, I'm going to go right out to Phoenix, Arizona. I'm going to go see Hasport. After Phoenix, I'm going to head right out to Southern California because on the 20th of October, I'm going to be at the I Heart Honda Festival. This is going to be epic. This is hosted by Spoon Sports. Ichi, the president and CEO of Spoon Sports, is flying from Japan all the way here, and they're giving away one of his race suits, a suit he actually wore in a very, very famous race. They're going to give away his suit, his helmet, and his shoes at the event. There's also going to be a lot more surprises at this event on the 20th. After that, I'm going to leave my car at Hondata. I'm going to fly home. Then I'm flying out to Barbados for Honda Craze Barbados. After Barbados, I'm going to come back to California, pick up my car at Hondata because my car is going to be at the Hondata booth at SEMA, and there's going to be a lot of surprises. As you guys know about the titanium pipe I ordered from Rampage, that's going to be an inlet pipe for the turbo. I had Pure Turbo redo my turbo, which is going to be awesome. In addition, I'm going to be adding a new intercooler setup by the company 271. That'll be on the car, along with the Acuity full shifter replacement. This is going to be epic. More than that, we have a couple of big surprises coming from Hondata. It's a SEMA show, 5th through the 8th in Las Vegas, Nevada. My car is going to be there without the hood on so you can see all the cool upgrades. Well, I hope to see you guys at SEMA. You guys have to come to the SEMA show to see it. We'll have a press release soon. Hope to see you guys at SEMA. If not, maybe at Barbados. But if not, for sure at I Heart Honda Festival. Big thanks to Kirks Collision, Status, everyone that's helped me out in this project so far, and I'll see you guys soon. As always though, this time from Republic, Missouri, I'm the Honda Pro, and now you're in the know.